Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of the day you're watching this video. This is Dr. Eric Tangumonkan with IEM Approach, where we inspire, equip, and motivate people to discover God's great potential in them, develop that potential and deploy it. The purpose for the potential that is in you is for you to use it to serve other people. And you do this through goods and services. But for you to deliver those goods and services, you have to take some action. This is where the rubber hits the road. You must take action. I know you're wondering, where do I start? How do I start? It's been said, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Stop thinking. Stop strategizing. Take action. Decisive action is going to deliver what you need. You have to take the first step. What you have to do is keep your eye on the objective that you've set for yourself, set smart goals, and get behind them. You manage your time well. You focus on the direction you are going. Don't be afraid to fail. Don't be afraid of the difficulties and challenges you're going to face, because we have already discussed that you have what it takes for you to achieve those goals. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Stay tuned for more updates and share this video.